In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this website in 10 minutes using AI, and it was practically free. Let's go ahead and get started. So the stack in which we'll be using is we're going to be using Bolt and Astro so that we can actually build SEO optimized websites that are indexable on Google. Because if you use any other build just telling Bolt to build it, it will not be able to index. It will not be HTML or static. So I'm going to head over to themes. I'm going to head over to discover more themes. We're going to use free view results. And there's actually a lot of really good examples here. I really like this example of a free theme in which we can use because they've already built the theme and we can customize the code. So to use this code, just head over to get started. We're going to create a fork. I've already created a fork. So once you do so literally go to fork, create a new fork, give it a name. And I'm going to click my existing fork just so it kind of like replicates that process in which you would have to do as well. So my fork is now created. That's how quick it is. I'm going to head back over to Bolt. I'm going to go to GitHub. I'm going to choose a repository. And as you can see, this one is the Astro Gym Fitness website. We're going to use that repository. And then we're going to choose that. And literally, that is it. You click upload. So you're going to start from this pre-built code. And then you can customize the code for your specific use case. So I'm going to rebuild a website. I'm going to just find a website in which I want to rebuild. So let's go over to this mortgage company in Toronto. So what I'm going to do is, this is the mortgage company which we'll be rebuilding. I'm going to copy over all of the content, head back over to Bolt. As you can see, it's went ahead and it has the pre-built template here. So we've already done a lot of the heavy lifting here. We actually have a website now that we can customize much easier. I'm going to paste in the content that we got back from our example site, and then I'm going to create a custom prompt. I'm actually going to go ahead. I'm going to copy over some of these images. I want to see if I can actually copy over. So we're going to copy over some of these images just so that it has some images to use. We're going to copy over the logo as well. And that's it. So I've literally told it that I want you to fully customize this website for Everything Mortgages, which is a mortgage company in Toronto. Use stock images when you can. Make a modern, beautiful website. Make it super world-class elements and design. Follow the best website building, UI, UX styles. Make it truly the best website. Use the content above and create the homepage because we just want to create the homepage for now. Use the logo and some of the images I gave you as well, and brand the colors of the site with the logo. So obviously this is just a prompt that I created. I can make this prompt a lot better, and I'll leave it in the description of today's video. But I want you guys to note something. Right now, we're at 11.9 million tokens. So let's actually see how many tokens we use to kind of guesstimate how much this has actually cost us in token usage. But to upload the GitHub repository to Bolt, it costs us 0 tokens because again, it's already built. So it's going to just use that code. There's no token usage. If you were to build this website from the ground up using the tokens on Bolt, it will cost you a lot more and take you a lot of time to get everything right. But again, this person has already made it so easy for us to get started. And as you can see, it's already mobile optimized. This is a great starting website in which you can use. You can customize this literally for any niche this could work well with. We've given the prompt to Bolt, and this will take the majority of time. It's just letting Bolt actually create the content. Okay, so the site is finished. It took us a little bit over 10 minutes to actually get the site done. And to be honest, that was really because of Bolt. Sometimes you have to wrestle with Bolt to get what you want back from it. But let's go ahead and take a look at the website in which we were able to get back. So here is the website, and honestly, it looks pretty good. Your trusted mortgage broker company in Canada. We get some section here about the numbers, why choose us, benefits of mortgage reliability, check out the services, and they all look pretty good. Let me actually hover over some of these icons so you can see that there's subtle effects that make it really pop up and seem more dynamic rather than just being a static website, which I really like. So let's scroll down a little bit more here. We get a nice mortgage calculator. That's pretty cool. I wonder if this works. Calculate your mortgage. Okay, that doesn't work, but this is a nice touch. We could always make that work. If I go to try this tool, I wonder where that takes me to. Okay, it just takes me to the contact us form. Our trusted partners, they tried to pull the logos but didn't, but that's still a nice touch. What our clients say, our blogs, so that's nice as well. Looks really, really good. FAQs, again, looks really, really good. And then we get a nice form here, right? So really good, I would say. And the footer looks really nice. Honestly, I would say that this is a really, really good build. Let's actually compare this to the build that we have on the actual website itself. This is really good as well, but this probably costs 10 times as much, and it probably took 10 times as longer to build this actual build compared to what we were able to build with the AI. And I wouldn't say that this is far off. I would definitely want to make some changes on this homepage to make it a little bit better, but like, it's not totally far off from what we're getting back here when we compare it to a website built by actual designers compared to the website that we used building using a pre-built theme and using bolt.new. So again, that's how quick you can literally create a website in a matter of minutes. It took us a little bit more than 10 minutes to get this build going, but if we didn't have any issues with Bolt, I'm sure we could have got this done in less than 10 minutes. So you can do this for yourselves to build yourself your own website, and you can actually host this website right on Bolt. So if you head over to all project settings, and if you head over to domains and hosting, you can either use the Bolt hosting when you click publish, or you can actually go ahead and you can use your own custom domain. So you can actually buy a domain on Bolt. I'll show you guys what that looks like, and you can have your hosting and everything all within Bolt, and Bolt does not cost anything when it comes to hosting. And as you saw before, we had 11.9, so we only used 900k tokens, which is pretty darn good. And as you can see here, we have a custom link now with the website. So if you wanted to, as I mentioned, you can use this method to create a website for yourself, or you can use this method to create websites for businesses. Like, imagine you get in contact with a business and be like, hey, we'll create you a free homepage. If you like it, then you can pay for it. And you can, again, host everything on Bolt. And for most websites, if I head over to settings, if I head over to all project settings, domains and hosting, I could literally buy a new domain, enter in a new domain, and like literally buy it for $15 from Bolt, and it'll automatically be propagated because you're buying it from Bolt. So your hosting and everything is going to be super easy to do. Or you can connect a domain that you own. If you want to connect it through GoDaddy or whatever platform you're using, you can connect an existing domain. So it makes it so easy for you to create a website and host that website on Bolt. It took us a little bit over 10 minutes to build, and it didn't cost us 1 million in tokens, which is pretty inexpensive. So even if you had a free plan or even one of the lowest plans for Bolt, you can build a lot of different websites, and you can optimize and redesign your websites pretty easily because, again, it doesn't take up too much tokens. If we go ahead, let's go ahead and take a look at the mobile version. Look at this, guys. This looks great. This is a great, beautiful website that's built, right? And this is definitely comparable to an agency level or to an actual designer level, and way better than anything you can build on Wix or any of those pre-built platforms that you have for website building. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, a nice little tutorial. Also, if you haven't checked out my AI writing tool, WordRocket, it is available, and we currently have some lifetime deals and some Black Friday deals. It is one of the best AI writing tools in the market. It is SEO optimized. It is in depth with tables, and it has custom images as well with internal linking. So everything you need to grow your website is within WordRocket, and we have a lot of high rated reviews, over 25 5-star reviews. If you'd like to check out WordRocket, head over to app.wordrocket.ai. So again, our stack was just using bolt.new. Head over to astro.build, and then you want to go to resources, themes, scroll down to discover more themes, filter by free, view results, and then you can choose literally any one of these. So you can go through any one of these that you like. Go to get started. It's going to take you over to GitHub. You literally create a fork. You copy over that fork URL, or in Bolt, you just connect your GitHub account. And if you connect your existing repository, you will see that in the list of repositories on Bolt, and you can choose from it, upload the site, and then customize it as you like. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, let it be known by giving us a big thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.